Good day. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello ma'am, good afternoon. I am Lovely Lopena, 31 years old with 3 children, ages 8, 5, and 1 year, 8 months. I have 2 brothers. I am the eldest in a daughter. I am a college graduate and I took Bachelor of Science and Information Technology.
Okay, can you tell me about your work experience?
I have work experience locally for 2 years in a two couple. They have 2 children, ages 8 and 5 years old.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities on your work?
I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing clothes. But the main duty is to take good care of the children.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I'm monitoring their uh, temperature, give them medicine if there is available, and inform my employer.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, patient, and reliable person.
Do you have any tattoo?
I do not have mom.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No mom.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No mom.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No mom.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to give a better future for my 3 daughters.
If you get hired, who will take care of your daughters?
My husband and my family, my parents.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus first in my job and then give them a phone call after my work is done.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working?
10 a.m. after when my job is done, and then 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who does do the cooking and market at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will stay calm and patient to them.
Do you accept none of this participating said by employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the houseworks there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share with kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, ma'am, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing it.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Any message to your future employer?
Hello, ma'am. I hope you will hire me. I promise to take good care of your family. Thank you.
Thank you.